Hey everyone, this is Odin again with another Java programming tutorial series that I'm doing. Last episode we went over variable modification such as increment operators and reassignment. Let me go and get started with our setup. This episode I'm going to go over the different variable types of Java. So if you remember from a while back we went over data types. Well, this is where they are going to come in handy. So you know what different data types are, but you don't know how to make variables with those different data types. And that's what I'm going to do this episode. So that should be good. Alright, so you already know one data type. That data type is the integer. I'll go ahead and show you. So if you remember last episode we did we have this. So this is saying that you have I is an integer and you're setting the value equal to 10. So integers are only for whole numbers or positive whole numbers and negative whole numbers. So you can do negative infinity to positive infinity. Well, actually you can't, and I'll show you later why, but you can do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can't do decimals though. That's a different one. So let's go ahead and print this out. Why do I keep doing that? Okay. Alright, so let's print out I. And it's going to print out the integer 10. Alright, so that's the integer variable. Now, let's go into the next one. So, let's do variable x, let's say equal to 1.5. And let's print it out. Oh wait, do we have an error? Oh yeah, so this ties in what I'm showing you. So yeah, the reason why we can't do this is because it is we put integer and 1.5 is not an integer. So what I'm trying to show you is that with you can't have incorrect variable type. So instead of an integer, x has to be a double. Right? So we are saying that x is going to have a double type, and we're setting the value equal to 1.5. So it should print out 10 then 1.5. Alright. So let's go and do another double. So remember, doubles are anything with decimals. For example, you guys should know what pi is. You can do 3.1415. And let's go and print out pi. And there you go. Right, so now we know the number types, such as ints and doubles. There is another type that I'm going to cover later this episode, but for now let's go into strings. So, you know a string is just basically letters like hello and hello world, as we said before. And to declare a variable with that type, it's going to be string, let's say s equals hello. Alright, so this is saying that the value s will be the string type, and we're setting the value equal to hello. Remember, it has to be in quotations. Now, you may notice that int is lowercase, double is lowercase, and string is lowercase. I'm not going to get into the details of why it's different like that, but know that you can't do string like this. I might cover in a later episode, but you don't need to know the difference right now. Just make sure that you know that Java is case sensitive. So if we do this, it should print hello. Yep, it did right there. Alright, so remember when I was talking about how there's a limit on the number that your integer can go up to? Well, back when I was talking about data types, we talked about long numbers. To declare a long variable, it's going to be, you're going to use the keyword long. Let's call this one v equals this really long number. Remember, you have to use the capital L after it. So let's go and print that out. It's going to print a very long number like that. Alright, and the final data type we're going to talk about is the Boolean value. So if you remember, Boolean values were true and false. Now to declare a variable with the Boolean value, it's going to be Boolean. And let's call it B. And let's set equal to on the values true. And then we can also print it out. Alright, and if we print, it should say true. So yeah, this was a short episode, but we already covered the basics of variables last episode, and now you know all the variable types, well, all the basic ones at least, that Java has to offer. So yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Next time, we'll be going over conditionals, where we get into like actual loops and stuff. So look forward to next episode, and I hope to see you guys there. Alright, bye.